Hello friend, this is Umang Sharma and in this video I am going to tell about HTML form attribute type. So up to here we already completed, I can show you, yes, up to here we already completed. So now I am going to delete that my code, yes, and first I am going to tell about number. So first I'm going to tell about my number. Sometime what happen we want to take some value from my user. For that we need to use input type equal to number name. I'm giving as a quantity, and for that we need to give minimum and maximum value because sometimes we need in specific range. For that I'm giving minimum 1 and maximum 5. If you want, you no need to give any range, that time you can remove that line. So I'm giving first three, yes, okay, no alert message. And sometime when you want to give any high value, that time it will give you one alert that you must enter a value between 1 to 5, yes, okay. So next time I'm going to tell about date, birthday, that is sometime we want to take our user birthday date. For that we need to use input type equal to date. So same input type equal to date, remember for that thing. Yes, it's coming. Simply I'm giving any value, so yes, click, so it's taking any birthday date in the format of month, date and year. You can change by using style. And next thing I'm going to tell about, that is our, sometimes we need for that, if you belong to any organization and you are making any website for organization, for that time we need to give in specific condition. We want to give like not more than this website or this age or maximum or minimum, that time we need to use maximum. So we need maximum like 90. We need any person and not more than and after. For before, I'm using before, so here maximum is up to 19, 18, 9, 12 and 31. And for that second I'm giving you, for showing minimum condition, for I'm giving here minimum equal to 2000 for that. So save. So input type equal to date, and we need to use maximum and minimum value. So who is coming? So here you can see it's before up to 990. So you can see after 31st December 8089 is giving like another, or it is like maximum up to here only it 1989. And here we can see here after 2000. So after 2000, yes, after 2000. So this condition, if you want to give some specific condition before or after, that time you need to use minimum and maximum. Next thing I am going to tell about color. For picking any color, if you want to take any color, like if you want to take any user favorite color as an input, that time we need to use type equal to color or type equal to color, type equal to color. So I'm going to show save, it's already saved, and refresh. So color, so it is not supporting here, so no problem. Yeah, open with Chrome. So here it's supporting any color we can use, and we can, yes. So it will pick our color. I don't know what's happening here. So no problem. Now you need to understand our attribute type only. So our, we need to give input type equal to color. Next thing is our bar. Range bar, sometime we need, if you are going to create any point or marking scheme, any website for question mark, and after correcting we need to give our range, at which range what point you got. For that we need to use type equal to range. I'm going to refresh. Yes, it's our range. So you can see a number also 678. Yes, this is our range bar. For that we need to use input type equal to range, and minimum I am giving 0 and maximum 100 for that. Next is our inform only. You need like only you want to use, only you want to take month and year. For that we need to use input type equal to month only. So it will take month and year. So first I'm going to show that output month and year. Only it will take only month and year. For that we need to use input type equal to month. Next, if you want only week, which week your birthday is coming or anything, for that we need to use input type equal to week for selecting any week and year. So week year, so I'll show you that output also. So week is correct. So for it's a 29 week and which year is coming, for that command we need to use input type equal to week. Sometimes we need only date and time. Date and time, for that we need to use time input type equal to date time. Input type equal to date time. So here we can give it's not showing here, no problem. Can use here, no problem. It's not coming, no problem. But you need to understand our code. Input type equal to date time. Don't worry, I'll explain you which browser is supporting and which browser is not supporting. Don't worry. So now you need to understand input type equal to date time. Next thing is I'm going to local time. Sometimes we need to take our local time from our device also. Device time. What is my device time? For that we need to use date time local. So it will take that device local device date and time. For that we need to use input type date and time. Next thing I'm going to explain about email. Inform sometime when we want to take our user email. For that we need to use command as a email. Input type equal to mail. I'll show you the output. Or if I'm giving trying enter, so it will give you must enter a valid email address, because in here I'm giving input type equal to email, so it will take only email. If your user trying to give any wrong information or at the rate is not present, dot is not present after Gmail or Yahoo, for that it will give you one alert message. Next is search. Sometime we need to create any search search we want to create our search. For that we need to use input type equal to search. Like you can see in Google search, when you are trying to search anything, it automatically some part you can see options. For that we need to use input type equal to search. And when you want to take users number, for that we need to use command as a input type equal to tel. It will take telephone number. It will take that user, and you can see user tel equal to that number. So input type equal to tel for number. And sometimes we need to, you want to take your user URL. For that we need to use input type equal to URL and name I'm giving. So input type equal to URL. So I want to check wrong information, that time it will give you one alert message, that is you and must enter a valid URL. So www.google.com, for example, I am telling you. So we need to give HTTP also at starting time. We need to give HTTP semicolon. That's this tagging. Thank you. I hope you understand this video. In this video, I fast trying to explain all these things. I hope you understand. See you in next video. Thank you, friends.